This is the replacement one that's going to be fitted in. Looks in much better condition, but in fact it's not technically correct.
This is very pretty, isn't it? I hope the one in there, the bearings is good, because we're going to have to make sure.
Who made that one, the one that you're putting in?
It was made by that Formula One engineering company. They made both the bearing housings, and the bearings came from India. The tops here came from our store.
Proper Avro
pieces.
Yeah.
And the pins.
The pins were made, and the tube was made.
I
It's probably perfectly okay.
Yeah.
You know, but it just for safety
Fire
sake.
control,
It's not certificated.
No way would they.
Yeah.
They're more like that's in a better nick than one that one is actually.
Yeah. Okay, so why is the top one the wrong length on ours?
Because the top one on the is wrong on ours, because what we have is two bottoms. That's this piece here.
Yes.
Which are slightly shorter than the tops.
The top, I see.
We didn't have any tops.
Right.
So we've made, on the spare one we've made up, we put two bottoms.
Yeah.
Which will still fit, but will bind this rod.
It's pulling, yes, it's straining it, yes.
And it will mean the rod will be always on a slight curve.
Yeah.
And so really, all we really want is this top casting, and I suspect we need the bearing carriers as well.
Yes.
You can then take the rod completely off this thing here, take the hook out, and then we'll take
There we are. Good.
Brilliant.
Excellent.
Yeah, it's a good one. Hooray!